Back in their family tree, the senior male and female send out piercing calls. These calls guide any stragglers home, and there they renew the family bonds. Good communication is one of the hallmarks of primate society. Few communicate more musically than lar gibbons in the forests of Thailand. Their songs carry for many miles across the canopy, proclaiming that this piece of forest is theirs. Most primates have excellent colour vision, and colour too can be used in communication. Adult Fair's leaf monkeys might seem rather drab. But not so their newborn. Bright orange fur makes the babies very conspicuous, so the adults can easily keep an eye on them. Close friends and relatives are eager to help the mother with babysitting. It's a good chance for the younger ones to practice.